Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. And before I go further on this matter, thank you for being part of the reason why we have 10,000 subscribers. You can see on your screen the letter or the email from the YouTube team congratulating me for 10,000 subscribers. But actually the congratulation is to all of you who made it possible for us to have 10,000 subscriptions. Thank you for commenting, for liking, for sharing the videos of this channel. We really appreciate that. Now to the business at hand. What does the International Monetary Fund want from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? He has been doing everything they wanted. They wanted the flotation of the naira, he has floated it. They wanted the removal of fuel subsidy, he has removed it. Yet, the IMF is not projecting anything good for Nigeria. What does IMF want from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu? That is the big question. Because it means that despite everything Tinubu has done to make IMF and World Bank happy, they are not happy. Apparently, he has not done enough in satisfying them in the way he's running the economy. And of course, Nigerians can testify that he's not running the economy well. That is why the price of foodstuff has skyrocketed to the roof, to the skies. But we thought that IMF would be much happier. Apparently we are wrong, because the IMF has raised an alarm and warned that Nigeria's economy is experiencing a deepening crisis. Now, the IMF communicated this information in a recently published report titled Review of Nigeria's Post-Financing Assessment by the IMF Executive Board. Review of Nigeria's Post-Financing Assessment by the IMF Executive Board. The IMF expressed concern that the stagnant per capita growth, widespread poverty, and severe food insecurity have further intensified the persistent cost of living crisis in Nigeria. In line with the report, the inadequate collection of revenue has impeded the delivery of services and the allocation of resources towards public investment. According to the report, the observed inflation rate for October stood at 27% compared to the same period last year, with food inflation at 32%. This growth, is said, is attributed to the removal of fuel subsidies, the depreciation of the exchange rate, and the negative impact on agricultural production in the country. Now the report reads, in part, Nigeria faces a difficult external environment and wide-ranging domestic challenges. External financing, market and official is scarce, and global food prices have surged, reflecting the repercussions of conflict and geo-economic fragmentation. Per capita growth in Nigeria has stalled. Poverty and food insecurity are high, exacerbating the cost of living crisis. Low reserves and very limited fiscal space constrain the authorities' option space. Against this backdrop, the authorities focus on restoring macroeconomic stability and creating conditions for sustained high and inclusive growth is appropriate. Now, in the midst of Nigeria's ongoing economic challenges, the report highlighted that on January 12, 2024, the Executive Board of the International Monetary Fund completed an evaluation of post-financing and approved the staff appraisal without delay. Now, the only positive thing they have to say about Nigeria was that Nigeria possesses sufficient capability to repay its debt to the IMF. So IMF is satisfied that they are not worried about Nigeria paying back the loan it borrowed from IMF. So that's the only positive thing you can get from their report. But the rest looks gloomy. So you ask yourself, what else does Tinubu have to do to please the IMF? Because after doing all this, which many people believe has ruined the economy, the flotation of the naira, the removal of the fuel subsidy without deep thought into it, people believe that that is the reason why Nigeria is in an economic crisis right now. But Tinubu did this to please IMF. Yet IMF is not satisfied with what he has done so far. What else does IMF want from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and from Nigeria? Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.